Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error encountered in Windows 10 Update. Okay, the first thing you want to do is run the Windows Update diagnostic tool. So on the search bar or press Windows I, go to settings. On the left hand side you're going to see something called system. Then you're going to see troubleshoot, other troubleshooters. And then you're going to see something called Windows Update. Press run and follow the on-screen prompts and then restart your PC to see if that fixes any issues. Okay, the next step. If your internet is not glitching, if you have a Wi-Fi, consider switching it to Ethernet. And also consider clicking on Network and Internet Troubleshooter and see if that fixes the issue. Okay, the next step, you want to open your command prompt. How do you do that? Type in CMD, right click on command prompt, say run as administrator. And you want to run these commands one by one. Okay, net stop WUAUSERV. Now try running net stop crypt SVC. Now try running net stop bits. And then after you've done that, try running net stop MSI server. Then after you've done that, go net start WUAUS verve. After you have done that, net start crypt SVC, net start bits, and then after that, net start MSI server. After you have done that, restart your PC and check for updates. What this does, this clears the update cache, forcing a fresh download and fixes things like stuck or failed installs. Now, after you have done this, and basically it didn't work, try running the following system file checker. How do you do that? Within command prompt, type sfc space scan now, all one word, hit enter. This will scan your entire file system for any kind of corrupt files, and then it will basically automatically repair them and replace them with a file that is not corrupted. Okay. And last but not least, try to turn off antivirus and run it again. So exit out of this, go to Windows Security. Virus and threat protection, under virus threat protection settings, manage settings, turn this off, real-time protection. Now go back to firewall and network protection, public network, and turn this off as well. And see if that fixes the issue. And next step, go to search, type in run. From here, type in msconfig. And this will come up under services tab. Click here, click on hide all Microsoft servers. And then click on disable all. Now go to startup, say open task manager and the startup items, and disable basically all of the startup items, and then restart once again and try updating, and then re-enable the services after you've done to restore normal operation. Okay, and last but not least, if nothing else works, you need to reset Windows. How do you do that? Go to search, type in settings, Windows Update, advanced options, recovery, reset this PC, and you can choose reset this PC, keep my files, or remove everything. Probably want to keep your files, and this will completely reinstall Windows on your PC. This will take a couple of hours, but it will definitely fix the problem. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Have a nice day.